Hi, my name is Tori and this is the Hygiene Routine Device for Children. This is a bathroom device that improves children's hygiene through a task reminder. This device will be a buddy guide for children ages 4 to 6. This is the task turtle. It is placed next to the mirror in the bathroom. The market opportunity is that children need a bathroom task reminder to stay on track and be more independent in the bathroom. The consumer is the parent and the child. The parent does not want to have to remind their child of the task, and they do not want to have to watch their child. They want their child to be more independent. The child eventually needs to be able to practice the bathroom routine by themselves and have a safe product that is enjoyable and durable. Some problems that arise in the bathroom are that some parents are controlling and it makes the child defy them. Some children feel embarrassed in the bathroom with the parent present, and they also associate the bathroom with past fears and accidents. The importance of bathroom hygiene is that it helps with good hygiene habits throughout life. It also prevents bad hygiene that can lead to body odor, greasy hair, stomach issues, pink eye, infections, heart disease, or bad self-esteem. Some learning habits are that children often need things repeated to them. They also respond well to praise, and they can use clocks at the age between 4 and 6, and they need consistent regimen and interactive educational toys. It is also important to choose a toy that says positive things. Visual reminders are also helpful so the child can see what they need to do. Some current market solutions include reward charts, alarm vibrating watches, or reminder buttons. None of these are specific to the bathroom though. The reason why checklists are important is because it helps prevent disorganization when there's an overwhelming amount of tasks, and it keeps the child responsible of the tasks. It also prevents them from losing focus. So the reason why I chose an animal is because it helps with creativity and imagination. They can reenact scenes and situations. With the turtle, the child can reenact bathroom scenes and situations so that they have a buddy in the bathroom. This is the task turtle. It is water resistant and can be cleaned easily with Lysol wipes or any cleaning solution, and has an LCD screen with the turtle's face and task icons. It also has interactive buttons that light up. There is an on and off button on the bottom that has the word start, so the child can press it to turn the turtle on. So this is how you use the turtle. You press the start button on the tail, and then you press the different shells that light up. Each task has a different reminder or praise. When you get to the toothbrush icon, there will be a turtle's face that the child can brush their teeth with. Since it is next to the mirror, the child can watch themselves as they watch the turtle. There is also a light that goes around the shell, and it is the 2-minute timer for brushing your teeth. So to use the turtle, you press the tail first, and then you go through the different icons, and each icon has different reminders or praises. For washing your hand, it reminds you to wash them for 20 seconds, and there will be a timer around the shell that helps the child wash their hands for that long. You continue to go through the different tasks. When you get to the toothbrush icon, a turtle's face will show up and will be brushing their teeth with the child, and there will be music that plays along. There will be a timer for 2 minutes that goes around the turtle. There will also be a reminder at the 1-minute mark to remind them how much longer they have. The child is praised for completing the tasks, and they continue doing the rest of them until the turtle turns off. The parent can also customize this turtle. They can choose a different gender and different icons and then set it for the child. So for customizing the turtle, the parent will press the middle button for 10 seconds, and this would be indicated on the instruction manual and the packaging. And they can select through the different genders, or they can skip that part and they select the different icons. They can go back, then after they select all of them, they set it. So through research, I found out the different bathroom tasks. There are 8 of them. It's going to the bathroom, flushing the toilet, washing your hands, drying your hands, brushing your teeth, flossing, combing your hair, and taking medication. For my early design, I looked at dispensers and reward games, but then my research showed that it was better for task reminders, so I moved on with the turtle. So I did sketches of different animals, and I chose 3. It was the octopus, the turtle, and the jellyfish. Then I made many different prototypes and tested them on children. So I tested them at a daycare called Sweet Dream and Fairy Tale Daycare, and then I also tested them with Yuhan's children, Eddie and Lukey. So I tested the different animals at the daycare, and the favorite choice was the turtle. Also, I asked many different people online, and the favorite choice was still the turtle, so I moved on with that animal. I started testing the turtle on Lukey and Eddie, and I realized that her older child was able to follow all of the tasks, but her younger child was having more trouble. He didn't understand all the tasks, and he was shy because of the camera. I also tested the turtle at the daycare, and they were able to follow all the tasks, but they didn't really favor the mirror. So I had a little model to test the starting button, and it was either the tail, the shell, or the arm. There was also an app that they could use, and their favorite choice was the tail. After research, I realized that the dispenser was not very necessary for this age, so I stayed with just the task reminder buttons. I made a functioning turtle that the child could use in the daycare. It was very effective and they were able to follow all the tasks. I also made 3D printed models and I plan on testing them on the children to see what their opinion is on the form. For manufacturing, I worked with Eric Schneider, who is a material manufacturing specialist. Here is a section view of my turtle. On the left, there's a TFT display LCD screen that is used, and it has a gasket so it is water resistant. There's also snap fitting hooks by the tail so the tail can be pressed, and there's a spring in it so it can be moved up and down. There's also a circuit board on the bottom. There is a water resistant speaker that also has a gasket, and the turtle is put together with a lip and groove. There's also LED light pipes that light up the different buttons. There is a USB charger and also silicone carbon dot pads that cover the circuit board so it is water resistant. There's a protective cover over the USB charger, and there's also set screws that hold the turtle together. So for the button, there's a tinted translucent silicone on top that is molded onto a clear acrylic. There's a light pipe that lights up the button. There's also a silicone rubber carbon dot pad that the button presses when the finger pushes it down. So for the manufacturing materials, there's an easy to clean ABS plastic structure, injection molded shell with ribbed interior, and set screws and lip and groove. Here's a diagram of it being separated. So for the attachment, it is either a suction cup that attaches to the ball or adhesive strips that have silicone gel with an attachment piece that slides onto the turtle and stays onto the wall. So for pricing, I looked at different electronic toys on the market, and there was a range from $10 to $30, and then I looked at the material cost of my turtle and labor cost and manufacturing cost, and it all came down to manufacturing retail cost of $46.28, but then a wholesale cost of $69.42. This is a little overpriced, so I might mark it down for the real cost. And that was the task turtle. Thank you for watching.